DP All-Purpose Cleaner Plus is a versatile cleaning formula designed to clean virtually any surface of dirt, dust, grime, mud, tar, grease, oils, and more after just one application. Regardless of the job at hand, you can dilute accordingly and clean as needed. Safely use DP All-Purpose Cleaner Plus on paint, glass, metal, plastic, rubber, vinyl, and even leather. To use DP All-Purpose Cleaner Plus is as simple as spray and wipe. For more delicate surfaces including paint, leather, vinyl, plastic, and fabric, dilute 4:1. Spray directly onto the surface to be treated and allow it to dwell for approximately 30 seconds before wiping away with a clean microfiber towel. For tougher jobs including grease removal, engine cleaning, and heavy staining, spray full strength onto the surface and allow it to dwell for up to 1 minute. If necessary, gently agitate the surface using a brush or microfiber towel before wiping away. It's safe to use on all surfaces, dilute for different tasks, and use for both interior and exterior cleaning. DP Detailing Products, exceptional car care products for the professional, enthusiast, and everyday driver.